Smart food storage for seniors who live alone. Hello, my dear students. Let's be honest, most diet advice out there assumes you're part of a family of four with a double door fridge and someone who enjoys chopping vegetables all day. But what if it's just you? Living alone means you have to outsmart your food before it turns into science experiments in your fridge. And that's where smart storage comes in. Let's start with the golden rule: frozen is freedom. You see, canned veggies? They come in bulk. You open one can of green beans and suddenly you're eating green beans for a week or tossing them in the trash. But frozen vegetables? You scoop out what you need, sip up the bag, and the rest waits patiently for tomorrow. Want spinach? Take a handful. Need carrots? Grab a cup. Broccoli for one? No problem. Now let's talk about protein. Buy chicken breasts or salmon in bulk when they're on sale. Slice them, bag them, freeze them individually, label them. Suddenly you're not cooking for a family, you're cooking for you, and it feels good. And here's another trick: big batch, small portions. Make a pot of soup or stew, divide it into containers, and freeze it. You just created your own healthy TV dinners, without the sodium and sadness. Oh, and pantry staples? Oats don't go bad. Rice doesn't spoil. Canned beans last years, and you can mash them into spreads, toss them in salads, or make quick chili. This isn't just about eating well, it's about living with dignity and ease. Smart food storage means fewer trips to the store, less waste, and more control. Because living alone doesn't mean you have to cook alone, clean alone, or eat garbage. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and check out our healthy senior recipes and supplements at avitasana.com. And remember, your freezer is not a graveyard for forgotten food, it's your secret weapon for staying well fit and independent.